All right, you're here today with Mission Tristan, and we are packing with our first coming up thing to be a month in Qatar, followed by potentially a couple weeks in Hawaii, or maybe a couple months. I don't know. Followed by potentially a couple months to a year abroad. I don't know. So it's a very all over the place, all over the environments and temperatures and weathers and all that. Plan where I don't know exactly what I need, so I'm just kind of taking everything. 2 bags, all my stuff. Let's pack it up. Cool.